welcoming our His Excellency Honorable Governor of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Abdul Nazir sir. I respectfully invite our Honorable Governor sir for lighting of lamp and inauguration of Nasha Mukt Yuva for Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan. Now I invite Venkat Ujwal, Director of My Bharat, Andhra Pradesh State, to give brief note.
Namaskar and warm morning to everyone present. It's my absolute privilege to welcome you all on this historic Darbar Hall of Lok Bhavan today. Andhra Pradesh proudly joins the rest of the nation in launching monumental Nasha Mukta Yuva for Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan. First and foremost, I extend our deepest gratitude and most respectful welcome to our chief guest, His Excellency, the Governor of Andhra Pradesh, Abdul Nazir sir. Your esteemed presence here today, sir, profoundly strengthens our state's resolve and inspires our youth to champion this vital nation cause. I am equally delighted to welcome the Inspector General Police and Head of the Eagle Anti-Narcotics Police Unit, IG sir. Thank you, sir, for your relentless leadership on these front lines of enforcing a drug-free society, ensuring a safer and healthier future for our upcoming generation. A warm welcome to all our distinguished guests, senior officers, and 80 vibrant youth participants gathered in this hall today. As Swami Vivekananda famously said, "My hope of future lies in the youths of character, intelligent, renouncing all of the service of others, and obedient to themselves." To ground our efforts today, it's important to highlight the architect of this mobilization, the Mera Yuva Bharat, My Bharat portal under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. My Bharat functions as a digital-first, youth-led platform that empowers young people across nations. A network of youth clubs, NSS volunteers, institutional partners, all comes under one platform, My Bharat. So, according to the goals of WHO and UNODC, this specific campaign utilizes My Bharat to focus intensively on districts, vulnerable districts identified by Ministry of Social Justice Empowerment, establishing permanent peer-driven approach via registered Nasha Mukt Mitras. As we gather here, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is preparing to virtually connect with over 1 crore youth across 10,000 locations nationwide via My Bharat network. This launch initiative is a historic 100-week nationwide Sunday program. Every week through continuous sports, cultural and community activities organized via platform My Bharat to achieve the ultimate goal of Viksit Bharat 2047. We will have a shortly Nasha Mukt pledge also. So it's my privilege as a state director, My Bharat team and NSS team, everyone to address here on the eve of Nasha Mukt Bharat. And on this event, we want to, sir, we want to give a bouquet and welcome you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I request our Honorable Governor sir to give his address indicating this jubilee and celebrations.
Shri K. Venkat Ujwal, State Director, MYB, Andhra Pradesh, dignitaries, My Bharat volunteers, dear students, Andariki Namaskaram. I welcome you all to this historic occasion of launch of Nasha Mukt Yuva for Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. In a short while from now, our Honorable Prime Minister will virtually address and guide over 1 crore youth across the country who are participating in the program from approximately 10,000 locations in various states. This flagship Nasha Mukt Yuva for Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan is spearheaded by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports through My Bharat as a national initiative largely inspired by the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for a Nasha Mukt Bharat, that is drug-free India. The primary objective of this campaign is to unite the nation's youth to empower them as drug-free, healthy and responsible citizens. As you are all aware, drug abuse can lead to health issues, decline in academic performance, and social isolation. Youth involved in drug abuse may face legal issues and their families suffer the consequences both emotionally and financially. I appeal to the youth of Andhra Pradesh
से जुड़े हुए हैं
to enroll yourself as Nasha Mukti Yuva volunteers through the digital portals and by physical presence at various activities and programs which are going to be organized by My Bharat for a drug-free Andhra Pradesh. On this occasion, let us all take a drug-free pledge, Nasha Mukti pledge. Over 1 crore youth participating from different parts of the country will also take a similar pledge for a drug-free India via digital portals and on ground events. As part of Nasha Mukta Yuva for Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan, 100-week continuous programs will be organized nationwide under this mega campaign, consisting of weekly cultural, spiritual, and sports activities to keep the youth actively engaged in the campaign. My Bharat Youth Club, National Youth Volunteers, District Youth Officers, partner organizations, schools, colleges, and industry associations will be participating in this widespread campaign. This noble mission aims to mobilize more than 1 crore youth across 10,000 plus locations throughout the country to promote a drug-free lifestyle and encourage active youth participation in the vision of Viksit Bharat. The campaign is proposed to be conducted every Sunday for the next 2 years through universities, colleges, educational institutions, youth clubs, and community organizations. I appeal to the youth of Andhra Pradesh to make Nasha Mukti Yuva for Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan a grand success and extend your support for a drug-free Andhra Pradesh. Andariki Dhanyavadalu, Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. I also request our Honorable Governor, sir, to administer the pledge on Nasha Mukta Yuva for Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan.
All of you. Please repeat. I do hereby pledge that I will not consume any harmful or intoxicating substance in any form or for any purpose, and I will also encourage others to stay away from intoxicants. I resolve to make an active contribution towards building a Nasha Mukta Bharat and to make my family, friends, relatives, neighbors, and every person I come in contact aware of the ill effects of substance abuse. I will remain dedicated to building a healthy, aware, and empowered youth power, and will continue fully towards resolving the resolve of Nasha Mukta Yuva Viksit Bharat. I will always uphold healthy values in life, carry the message of drug-free living to every individual in society, and continuously work towards building an aware, empowered, and drug-free India. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now the virtual program will start. Please have the virtual program on Nasha Mukta Yuva for Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan. which is launching by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji.
सभी राज्यपाल, सभी मुख्यमंत्री, अन्य सभी जनप्रतिनिधिगण 28,000 से अधिक स्थानों से जुड़े 1 करोड़ से अधिक मेरे युवा साथी, मैं आज इस शुभ घड़ी पर शुभ संकल्प के लिए करोड़ों करोड़ों नौजवानों का विशेष रूप से अभिनंदन करता हूं। आज हम सभी जिस अभियान के साक्षी बन रहे हैं, वो अभियान व्यक्ति के लिए है, परिवार के लिए है, समाज के लिए भी है, और सबसे बड़ी बात है, ये राष्ट्र के लिए है। साथियों, विकसित भारत संकल्प अभियान के लिए नशा मुक्त युवा, इस मूवमेंट का नाम ही इसके संकल्प को स्पष्ट करता है। क्योंकि आज जब देश ने विकसित भारत का लक्ष्य तय किया है, तो इसके लिए आवश्यक है देश का युवा तन से स्वस्थ हो, मन से स्वस्थ हो, आत्मविश्वास से भरपूर हो, और ड्रग्स जैसी घातक आदत से हमेशा हमेशा दूर ही रहे, दूर हो। यही इस अभियान का उद्देश्य है। इसलिए हम सबको ये संकल्प लेना है, हमारे युवा नशे और ड्रग्स के खतरों को समझे, हर तरह से जागरूक रहे और उससे दूर रहे। और इस संकल्प में अब राष्ट्रीय नशा मुक्त युवा अभियान की बड़ी भूमिका। साथियों, काशी का सांसद होने के नाते मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि यह अभियान का पायलट प्रोजेक्ट के तौर पर पिछले साल काशी की पवित्र धरती से शुरू हुआ। इसलिए वैज्ञानिक स्पष्टता के साथ साथ इसमें आध्यात्मिक ऊर्जा भी है, संतों के आशीर्वाद भी है, और महान सांस्कृतिक विरासत भी है।